Imagine getting personalized financial advice without paying a single dollar. Imagine an assistant who never sleeps, doesn't charge commissions, and makes data-driven decisions in seconds. That's not science fiction. It's what AI is doing right now in the world of personal finance. So here's the real question. Can AI actually replace your financial advisor? This debate is heating up, and today, we're diving deep into the truth behind it. Welcome to Money Strategies with Prince, your home for smart money moves, digital wealth tools, and modern strategies to build financial freedom. If you're serious about taking control of your finances using the tools of tomorrow, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let's settle the AI versus human advisor debate once and for all. In the past, getting financial advice meant visiting an office, sitting across a desk, and trusting someone in a suit to guide your money. But in 2025, that's changing fast. Thanks to artificial intelligence, people now have access to automated budgeting tools, robo-advisors that invest on their behalf, AI chatbots that answer tax and retirement questions, platforms that analyze spending, debt, and net worth in real time. And all of this comes at a fraction of the cost of a traditional financial advisor. So, should you trust your money with machines instead of humans? Let's explore both sides. Part 1. How AI is changing financial advice. Number 1. AI never sleeps or gets emotional. Unlike human advisors, AI doesn't panic when the market crashes. It doesn't miss deadlines, take vacations, or react emotionally to money decisions. AI systems like Wealthfront Betterment, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, ChatGPT-powered finance bots can operate 24/7 and respond instantly to your queries or changes in your financial situation. That's a level of consistency and accessibility that no human can offer. Number 2. Lower fees, higher efficiency. Traditional financial advisors often charge 1% to 2% of your portfolio annually. That might not sound like much until you realize that's $1,000 to $2,000 every year on a $100,000 portfolio. Over time, that's a big chunk of your earnings. Most AI platforms, on the other hand, charge between 0.25% and 0.50%, and some even operate completely free. That's not just savings, it's money you can reinvest. Number 3. Real-time data. All the time, AI has the power to scan millions of data points instantly, from market trends to interest rates to your personal spending habits, and give you insights on the fly. It can help you optimize your budget, set retirement goals, track your credit score, analyze investment risks, auto-allocate your portfolio based on your age, risk, and goals, all without scheduling an appointment or waiting on a callback. Part 2. What human advisors still do better. Number 1. Emotional guidance and personalized life planning. Let's face it, money is emotional. Sometimes we don't need data. We need someone to tell us, don't sell during a crash. Don't panic. Don't put your entire emergency fund into 𝐦𝐻𝐿. Human advisors help with the psychological side of investing, which AI still struggles to do effectively. They can also understand life context. Did you just have a baby? Planning for elder care? Facing a divorce? Humans can adapt to real-life nuance in a way no algorithm fully can. Yet. Number 2. Long-term trust and relationships. Many people don't just hire financial advisors for money advice. They build a relationship of trust, someone who understands their family, their business, their values. That relationship often spans decades, and when emotions run high, that trust matters more than data. AI might be fast and efficient, but it's not your accountability partner. Number 3. Navigating complex scenarios. Not all financial situations are simple. Here are a few areas where human advisors are still dominant. Estate planning, tax strategies for entrepreneurs, real estate portfolio management, business exits and succession plans. In such high-stakes, complex scenarios, AI might assist, but you'll still need a qualified human expert to lead. Part 3. Real examples of AI in action. Let's look at some real platforms changing the game. Checkmark, Wealthfront, and Betterment. AI-driven robo-advisors that automatically invest your money, rebalance portfolios, and even minimize taxes with features like tax loss harvesting. 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐢, 𝐻𝐿, and ChatGPT plugins. AI-based budget bots that help you manage spending and even chat casually to keep you on track financially. Tiller plus ChatGPT integration. Automated spreadsheets that analyze your income, bills, and debt, then suggest smarter decisions every month. People are using these tools to save hours of time and thousands of dollars per year. Part 4. The future. Collaboration, not competition. Here's the real takeaway. AI isn't here to replace human financial advisors. It's here to enhance them. Think of it this way. AI provides the data, humans provide the wisdom. Together, they make the smartest team for your money. In the next 5 years, we'll likely see hybrid advisors, real humans backed by powerful AI tools. That means better decisions, lower fees, and a much more personalized experience. And for those just starting out with small portfolios, AI tools are already giving access to financial planning that used to be reserved for the rich. Part 5. So, should you switch? Ask yourself these 3 questions. Do I have a simple financial life with limited assets? AI might be all you need, for now. Do I face big decisions like inheritance, business exits, or complex taxes? A human advisor is still essential. Do I want peace of mind and a personal connection to my financial future? AI can help, but a real advisor may be your best bet. The smartest move? Use AI as a tool, even if you stick with your human advisor. It's not about choosing sides. It's about using the best of both worlds. AI is transforming the financial world. It's fast, it's powerful, it's cheap. But money isn't just numbers. It's emotions, life changes, and big dreams. So will AI replace your financial advisor? Not completely, but it's already replacing the way we think about money. And those who embrace it early? They'll be the ones with smarter portfolios, lower fees, and more freedom in the future. If this video opened your eyes, go ahead and like it, subscribe to Money Strategies with Prince, and share it with someone who's still stuck in the financial Stone Age. And here's our question for the comments. Would you trust an AI with your financial future, or do you still prefer a human advisor? Why? Drop your answer below. I read every single comment. Let me know if you'd like the complete SEO package, title ideas, description, tags, hashtags, thumbnail tips for this video next.